Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jatan on this side. Good evening. I am coming with surgery of hyperbola. Surgery, I mean to say that you will know each part of the body of hyperbola. That is, I'll be dealing with the anatomy of the parabola. You will come to know all the parameters in a very easy manner. And while doing questions, these parameters learned by you will help you a lot. I am coming with my notes, you will come to see. Hello friends, I have come with my notes on the hyperbola. First of all, let us define what is hyperbola. A hyperbola is the locus of a point which moves in such a way that the ratio of its distance from the fixed point to the distance from the fixed line bears a constant ratio denoted with E, which is always greater than 1. Now, there are two types of hyperbola. One is the transverse hyperbola and other is conjugate hyperbola. Now, these are the various parts shown to you of both of them. However, in order to know the detail of these parts, I'll take you to my second sheet of the notes. Now, here it is. This is the anatomy of hyperbola. I am dealing with one, second is just similar. Now, look here. This is x-axis. This one is y-axis. This number 1, look here, is called the center, and this is 0, 0. X-axis and y-axis, they are intersecting at origin. Now, let us go to point number 2. This point number 2 is called the vertex. There is another vertex on this side. So there are two vertices. A, that is A0, A dash minus A0. Let us go to third one. Third is transverse axis. Look here, A dash A. A dash A. Next, this is called the major axis. This is known as major axis also. Foci is there. One focus is this, second focus is S dash. The focus S is AE, 0 and S dash is minus AE 0. Let us go next. Latus rectum. This line passing through the focus perpendicular to the axis is known as latus rectum, and its length is equal to 2b square over a. Look here, it is LS L dash, and this is latus rectum, and length is 2b square over a. Okay, next, equation of latus rectum. Look here, this line is parallel to y-axis. It will be x is equal to something, because this y-axis is x is equal to 0. Y-axis is x is equal to 0. And this is parallel to this, it is x is equal to AE plus minus. On the other side also, this is also minus AE. So x is equal to minus AE or plus AE. So This is the equation of latus rectum. Endpoints of the latus rectum. Look here. This is AE. X is how much? AE. And this one is B square over A. And this is with plus minus. Look here. This is minus AE and this is B square over A. So this end is AE plus B square over A and this is AE minus B square over A. So next, sixth equation of latus rectum. It is x is equal to plus minus AE. Endpoints we have discussed, it is AE B square over A. Directrix, this line and this line, they are directrix. This is x is equal to A over E and this is x is equal to minus A over E. Look here. X is equal to A over E and other is minus A over E. Let us go to next. Equation of axis. This is the axis passing through the hyperbola and it is x-axis. And equation of x-axis, as you know, is y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Distance between foci. Look here. This is focus, this is focus. From here to here, this is AE. From here to here, it is again AE minus AE. So total will be 2AE. Total will be 2AE. Look here. Total is 2AE. And let us go to next. Distance between directrix. This is A over E. This is again minus A over E. The distance, total distance will be 2A over E. 2A over V. Distance between focus and directrix. Look here. This is directrix and this is focus. So AE minus A over E. AE minus A over E. Look here. This is AE and this is A over E. Distance will be this minus this. Next, distance between a vertex and corresponding directrix. Vertex is A0, corresponding directrix is A over E. So A minus A over E. A minus A over E. Distance between focus and vertex. Focus is AE, vertex is A. So AE minus A. So this is all about anatomy of the hyperbola. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. Share it among your friends. Like it. If you like it, then subscribe it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good night. I'll come up with next topic based on conic section. Thank you very much. God bless you.